everyone, you're watching Com Concepts Pro. In my last few videos, we learned about the concept of singly linked list and the operations that can be performed on it. And today we are going to learn about doubly linked list. So I had told you in my earlier videos that linked lists are of three types: singly linked list, doubly linked list and circular linked list. Singly linked list and the operations that can be performed on them I have already discussed in some of my last videos. This video covers an introduction about doubly linked list. In doubly linked list, each node contains 3 fields rather than 2. Out of these 3 fields, 2 are the pointers. One of the pointers points to the node previous to the current node and another pointer points to the node next to the current node. Therefore, traversal in a doubly linked list is also possible in both the directions, forward as well as backwards. So programmatically, we can declare a node of doubly linked list like this. Same as singly linked list, this is also a structure. We generally give the name node to this structure because it is going to represent a single node of the linked list. Then inside this structure, we declare 3 fields. One data field of the type of which we want to store the data like int, float, char, etc. Then there are 2 pointer fields denoting the previous and next pointers respectively. So these are these 2 pointer fields, previous and next. Previous pointer is going to point to the node previous to the current node, and the next pointer is going to point the node which is next to the current node. That means they are going to store the addresses of previous and the next node respectively. So here is a comparison of singly linked list and the doubly linked list. So as you can see, there are 2 pointer fields in the doubly linked list, and these 2 arrows show that the traversal is possible in both the directions, forward as well as backwards. Remember, the previous pointer of the first node and the last point on the next pointer of the last node, they are always null. Now same as singly linked list, for doubly linked list also we'll see those same operations: insertion, deletion and traversal. We'll cover traversal in this video itself. So forward traversal in a doubly linked list is same as singly linked list. First we'll assign a temporary pointer variable temp and assign it the same value as start, which is the address of the first node. After that, in a while loop, we'll keep shifting the temp to temp next till it reaches null. Then for the backwards traversal, again we have to assign a temporary pointer variable temp, but this time pointing to the tail pointer. And this tail pointer is holding the address of the last node of the linked list. Then in backward traversal also, we have to declare a while loop, and the condition will also be the same, that while temp is not equal to null. Inside this while loop, for traversal, we have to shift temp to temp previous in each iteration. And if we display data like this in each iteration, the data will be displayed in reverse order. That is, the data of last node will be displayed first and the data of first node will be displayed last. So this was the introduction about doubly linked list and traversal operation that can be performed on them. Please do watch my next videos for more operations performed on doubly linked list like insertion and deletion, and subscribe to my channel for more updates.